Fabric Squirrel, and today I am going to hopefully show you how to make a really easy scarf. Now, I made this dress yesterday and it is from some of the new cotton that I got in. It's a yarn dyed cotton, and so it's yarn dyed woven, and I just couldn't resist. I know that I am going to get so much wear out of this all the way through December. It's got that little bit of sparkle running through it, so it feels a little bit Christmassy. It'll probably be a Christmas Day dress as well. I used indigo to make it, and I did it with 2 meters of fabric. But I have this amount left over, which was my plan, and I have done the pattern placement in such a way that I would have a longer piece that's left. Now, what I'm hoping to do today with you is to just turn this into a scarf, because that'll make a great gift. Like, I might give it to my mum or something, and I just thought it'd be a really fun way to use leftover fabric. Because it's yarn dyed, it looks the same on both sides, so, and it's just like a nice length, hopefully that it will be a good scarf size. So hopefully we're going to do this together and make a scarf. I'm going to follow this line. That is the beauty of having a check, is that it's got your guides, so you can do a straight line. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn over a hem on each long side, which is why I'm not going to bother trimming the selvage on this, because it's just going to be hidden anyway. I have finished the scarf. I've recorded some of the steps, but not the whole process, because as easy as this project is, it is a little bit time consuming. But for me, that was in a really good way. I quite enjoyed pulling all the threads out, and it's something you could sit and do while you're watching TV. So there's about 5 centimetres worth on each end that I've pulled away. This is all the threads that are left over. I used a like nail brush that you get in Crackers to help smooth it all out, to brush it out at the end. And then I haven't done any exact measurements when it's come to just tying them. It was just about what felt right. I've tied knots to finish off the edges, and then I've turned over the hem on the long sides. So this is all that is left from 2 meters of fabric. I've managed to make a scarf with the main bulk that's left over, and obviously the dress that I'm wearing as well. So it's really satisfying to have such a small amount going back into your scraps. If you obviously wanted a longer scarf, you could do that. So this one ends up being about 120 centimetres wide. The bolt of fabric is 140 centimetres. So if you did want to do this, you could just buy half a metre of fabric and then use the full bolt width. That would work too. It's only £8 a metre, and I have it in 2 colourways. I also have it in this pink. Again, £8 per metre, and this has got the sparkle running through it as well. So I think this is going to be a really nice Christmas present to give someone. I'm not going to wear it matchy-matchy with my dress, but I'm really pleased with it. It's so soft, and it was a really easy, satisfying make. So I hope it's inspired you. Hopefully you like this fabric. I definitely love this dress. And yeah, if you did like it, please subscribe. Thank you for everybody that's subscribed in the last few weeks. It's really nice to see so many new followers. So I will keep the content coming.